I think on balance a good report, allaying fears that the economy was somehow lurching into a real sharp slowdown. We don't think that, we haven't changed our view that there will be a next Fed rate hike in the first quarter of 2017. Financial markets participants are less persuaded by this. They have still really are very skeptical about anything happening from the Fed in the full year 2017. So I think this keeps uncertainty elevated. Will they, won't they? I don't think we're going to get away from that maybe in our lifetimes.
Does it concern you when you look at the longer term trend over the last 2 years anyway? So we've got an average of 147,000 in the second quarter. The first quarter was 196,000 was the average number, and over 2015 was 229,000. So overall the trend is down.
It has decreased. I'm more concerned with GDP, I guess. I think GDP has been pretty steady, around a little over 2%. This is really since the middle of 2009. I think if that trend breaks, that would be, I think, a real worry. But it seems it's resilient to these swings in the job creation data.
We've got earnings season now coming up. I mean, obviously, there was quite a lot of event risk associated with this NFP number. The market took the good news as good news, seemingly, because the markets did rally on the back of the number. But now we've got earnings season coming up. We've got markets near their all-time highs in the States. We've got analysts talking to us about concerns of overvaluation. What's earnings season going to do? Is it going to increase? Are we going to see the rally continuing? Or is this going to be a catalyst for some kind of a correction?
I'm mildly positive on the U.S. equity market. It's been a tough year so far, but investors, I think, are climbing that wall of worry. The growth is slow but steady. I don't think it's not surprising on the upside, but then again, it's slow but steady, and I think that's enough for people to take heart and sort of zero out that worst case scenario, or at least reduce the probability that they attach to it. And that's, I think, a backdrop in which stocks sort of grind higher.